翡翠百花竹笙卷 steamed minced prawns with bamboo fungus. This steamed minced prawns with bamboo fungus is a high-end dish in the fine dining menu in Hong Kong or Guangzhou. Today's cooking requires some time to wrap minced prawn with bamboo fungus. But this is a healthy cooking and healthy eating food. CNY ham or Chinese ham you can buy from the grocery shop in the market. This is how it looks like for a big size of bamboo fungus, and you can buy or get bamboo fungus from the grocery shops in the market. This is the small size of bamboo fungus that I am going to use for today's cooking. This time I use frozen prawns. Rinse and wash the prawns. Drain out water from prawns for use later. Rinse and wash dried shrimp, then soak dried shrimps for 20 minutes. Rinse and wash garlic chive, then cut garlic chive into small chunks. Peel off skin from water chestnut, then rinse and wash water chestnut. After rinsing and washing pork fat, cut pork fat into small chunks. After 20 minutes, cut dried shrimps into small chunks. Come, let's have a look what are the ingredients for minced shrimps. Frozen shrimps, water chestnut, 1 egg white, pork fat, dried shrimp chunks, garlic chive. Let's separate egg white and egg yolk. Add in all water chestnuts into a plastic bag, then smack and crush the water chestnuts. Transfer smacked water chestnut to a plate for use later. After, drain out the water from shrimps, pat dry the shrimps. Smack and crush the prawns. After smacking and crushing the prawns has completed, use the knife to casually mince the prawns. Hand minced prawns is completely different from blender mince, so that we still can feel a bit of the chunky texture of the prawns. Let's give some flavor to minced prawns by adding in 3 1/4 teaspoons of salt, drizzle of white pepper powder. Mix well minced prawns with all the seasoning. Then add in pork fat, dried shrimps, and garlic chive. Then mix well again minced prawns with all the ingredients that we just add in. Add in 2 teaspoons of cornstarch and egg white. Then mix well again, and lastly add in 1 teaspoon of sesame oil as lubricant. Let's put minced prawns into a container and into a fridge to marinate for 2 hours. I choose around 25 of bamboo fungus, a small piece of Chinese ham, marinated minced prawns, asparagus, smacked ginger and smacked garlic, 250 ml of chicken broth. With a piece of Chinese ham, I add in 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar and 2 teaspoons of Shaoxing wine. When water comes to boiling, I add in Chinese ham and steam for 8 minutes. While steaming the Chinese ham, cut off both ends of the bamboo fungus. Keep the top part of bamboo fungus for soup making or for steamboat or hot pot. After rinsing and washing bamboo fungus, soak bamboo fungus for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, rinse and wash asparagus. Cut and peel off the hard part of the asparagus. Then smack and crush garlic and ginger. After 8 minutes of steaming Chinese ham has completed, let's move Chinese ham from the wok and let's Chinese ham to cool down first. After soaking of bamboo fungus for 15 minutes, let's rinse and wash gently the bamboo fungus again. Then add in hot boiling water and soak bamboo fungus with 1 teaspoon of Shaoxing wine to remove unpleasant smell of bamboo fungus for 5 minutes. After ham has cooled down, cut Chinese ham into small chunks. Finally, let's wash bamboo fungus for the last time. Pat dry bamboo fungus in a delicate way. With scissors, cut open the side of bamboo fungus. Take a piece of the marinated minced prawns and make into a long shape. Then use cut open bamboo fungus to wrap up the minced prawns as shown in the video. Then keep on repeating the same action again by wrapping up all the minced prawns. Oh, by the way, wrapping up minced prawns with bamboo fungus is also good for steamboat or hot pot in this cold season. When water comes to boiling, add in wrapped minced prawns with bamboo fungus with high heat. Steam for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, remove minced prawns wraps from the wok. Prepare cornstarch water with 1/4 bowls of water and 3 teaspoons of cornstarch and mix well to make slurry sauce. When water comes to boiling again, add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoons of chicken powder as base flavor. Add in asparagus and blanch for 30 seconds. Then remove asparagus from hot water for use later. In a hot wok, add in 1 tablespoon of cooking oil. Add in ginger slices with medium heat. Saute until full of fragrance and golden brown. When slices of ginger become golden brown, add in garlic and saute together with medium heat. When ginger and garlic are golden brown, add in chicken broth and the remaining of the wine from steaming ham and a 1/4 bowl of water. Bring the broth to boiling first with medium heat. Add in 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. When the broth comes to boiling, slowly add in cornstarch water. And on the other hand, quickly stir the broth in the wok. Keep on adding the cornstarch water and keep stirring until slurry sauce has become reduced and not too thick. Then add slurry sauce onto steamed minced prawns wrap. Add in asparagus in between the steamed minced prawns wrap and bamboo fungus. Add in chunks of Chinese ham to enhance flavor and shredded chili and scallion as garnishing. This steamed minced shrimp wrapped by bamboo fungus is chewy. The minced shrimp is bouncy in texture and overall flavor is umami. This dish is highly suitable to cook during special occasion. Here is my recipe for your reference. Let's give it a try.多謝收看，我們下一條片再見啦！如果喜歡這條片，請訂閱讚好，你的訂閱和讚好是我們的動力，繼續拍新片啊！請你和朋友分享這條片，記得留言俾我們啊！Thank you for watching, friends. See you again in our next video. If you like this video, please click subscribe and like. Your subscriptions and your likes are our motivation to keep on posting new videos. Please share these videos with friends and leave us comments. Bye bye. Okay, so you take some ham with the bamboo fungus and the ham, asparagus, yeah, everything eat together, see how it goes. The shrimp taste should be very good. The bamboo fungus is very good. I taste already this one, the shrimp. Because this shrimp, is different from the one you buy outside. The buy outside, the buy outside you cannot taste the shrimp more. This one you can flavor of the shrimp more. It's very amazing.
And with the ham.
Very good, right? Yeah, this is a very expensive dish.